Alright, I'm going to solder it with my dodgy soldering iron that's like really dodgy. So hopefully it's hot enough. It has this bit on here where you got to unscrew it slightly, and it's like, well, I don't know why it's doing that or what that's about. The bitch is red hot as well. It's not good. I don't know why it's like this. It's absolutely terrible. Where's my solder gone? Oh, got a tiny bit left. This thing's absolutely useless. I pre-taped in position. I haven't got. It's not working. A bloody disaster. This is. How not to solder. Come on. Got it? Not really, but this is absolutely bloody terrible. This soldering iron is so bad. It's got a bit more. Stick a bit more on there. It's just earthing. It's not like it's an actual. Terrible soldering iron. If I had a better one, I wouldn't be so bad, but it's very bad. Come off. It'll do, it's fine. Right, so that is like, might look a bit dodgy, but it's connected, so it's just, I'd rather just do it than not do it, so I'll turn that off. My soldering iron is like, it's like dangerous, effectively. It's that dodgy, I've got a cup. I put it in. I haven't got a holder for it. Right, so that is that. Come off there. That's an earthing from the main board. It's just, I don't know if it's a safety thing strictly, but whatever. I had to reposition for that. That's annoying. All I've got to do is plug them bits into here, and then got to plug in. I can't really see very well, but it's just the what would that be? Volume control, headphones, and then the main. That's got to be the main power thing then on there. That's the main power. And then that other one, the headphone, that's it, and the rest is just screwing it back together. Providing I haven't bloody destroyed it with that's all that is, it's just that and that. So yeah, we just put it back together. Oh, there's an aerial or an antenna, I've got to fiddle around with that. And I'll put it back together and we'll test it when it's back in one piece. By the way, just don't forget to plug in the, which I nearly did. Just plug that into there, that's the power. No, it's not, it's the volume. Yeah, plug that in. Oh, it won't work. Yes, very good. So here it is back together, and found a CD with computer music on it, not copyrighted. Can't be bothered to mess about with post-production on it. So it seems to be scanning alright. These are CDRs I'm playing here. So I've set the time and everything, so I'll turn all over so you can see it. And see if it plays. so that's working. Bring it about there. If I open it, close it. Does it auto scan to press play? Turn the volume down because I've got copyrighted music on the start of this CD. There it is, it's found this first track. Hear that, if I bring that in. I'll show you what it does when it does this kind of funny noise when it's searching for the... It wasn't doing that before. What it would do that funny noise for like 10 seconds and sometimes get it and sometimes it wouldn't. This is a CDR, so this is not a pressed CD like a professional one, so it might have an issue with, possibly have an issue with that. If it was a professional CD, like a normal CD, it might actually be a little bit faster because it's having to read what is a homemade CD. It's made these like 10 years ago, a lot of these. Getting it, yeah. Before I did this today, if I had gone like that, what it would do is it would either just stop or it would just search and search and search, and it would go click, 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 and it wouldn't do anything. When I press on it, searches like that. I could turn that up actually if it's got the... Name that tune. I'm holding the button down. Go down. Just take a bit of time to find the first track. There it is. I'd like to YouTube copyright then get this one. Keep my finger on it, just in case you're wondering. That's not it playing normally. I'm fast forwarding through it. There it is. It's getting this. That's fine. So yeah, I think I'd have to test it a few more times to play a few CDs through it from beginning to end, see if it does still do that. But it's a lot more. If I'd have done that before I'd done this maintenance today, it would not have played each track and then stayed. It just wouldn't have done that. So I'd say that's pretty much a fix for that one. So. It's finding each track much better. I think it's a CDR as well. I mean, that should be even better on a normal CD. Yeah, I'll say that's fixed that pretty much. Okay, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.